Okay, it's already 6. Let's start. Welcome to the class. We'll start with warm up. Let's start with the neck exercise today. Keep little distance between two legs, hands at the abdomen area. Exhaling, head down, chin at the throat cavity. You can use both the hands, claspful hands, to push little down gently. Inhaling, take the head back, both the hands under the chin. Try to lift a little more. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Come to center. Now inhaling, take head right, chin and the shoulder in the same line. You can use the left hand to push a little more back. Exhaling center. Inhaling left, chin and the left shoulder in the same line. From there, try to push back. You can use the right hand to apply little more pressure. Exhaling center. Now we will rotate the head clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. We will rotate anti-clockwise. Inhaling left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Normalize the head. Now keep both the hands on the shoulder. Elbows at the front, join both of them. Exhaling, stretch them at the shoulder level. Now join both the elbows at the top in front of the forehead. Slowly bring them down. Leave it. Again join them at the top. Bring them down. Leave it. Do it 3 times. Join them at the top. Bring them down. Leave it. Now reverse. Join them at the bottom. Take them up. Leave it. Make sure both the elbows join together maximum length when you are taking them up or taking them down. Join them at the top, bottom and bring them up and leave it. Do it 3 times. Now from sideways, shoulders up and down. So when they go up, make sure from shoulder to elbow it is straight and joining the ear. Only shoulders should move, not the head. Relax. Now both the hands from front, take them up and then bring them down. Straight, elbow straight. Elbow should be straight when they go up. Now both the hands, forward rotation, elbow straight, hands coming very close to the ears when they go up. And then reverse. Relax. Now keep both the hands straight forward. Exhaling, bring the elbows towards the body and lock it. Make sure hand is very close to the body when they come closer to the body, not very far. Similarly, up and down. Elbows should be locked at the front. Don't take them back. Relax. Keep little distance between two legs, maybe more than shoulder width. Keep both the hands up at the shoulder level. Don't join them. Now inhaling, stretch up and bend back. Maximum, whatever body supports. Exhaling, slowly come back. Again stretch up. Inhaling, stretch up. Exhaling, bend forward. Those who has backache, don't bend forward. Slowly bend forward and see hands are touching the feet, respective feet. And bend more. Knee straight. Now swing right and left. When you go to right, left hand should touch the right feet, right hand going up. Similarly, when you come to the left, right hand coming to the left feet, hand going up. Swing. Make sure lower back down. Look towards the hand going up. Slowly relax, come back. Relax. Keep both the hands straight, legs together, knees together, hands forward, palms looking down. Without opening the knees, try to sit. Maximum. If you can completely sit, stay there. If you cannot, wherever it is possible, stay there and then slowly come back while inhaling. Do it one more time once you come back. Exhaling, go down. Inhaling, slowly come back. If you cannot sit completely, that's fine. Even if you are able to come only 50%, stay there. Don't open your knees. Relax. Now keep both the hands on the knees. Bring the knees forward and then take them back straight. Do it 3 times. Now rotate knees clockwise 3 times. When the knees coming forward, bend maximum without lifting the heels. When they go back, straighten them. Anti-clockwise 3 times. Knee joints will get overall. Relax. Sit on the asana. we will just do butterfly. Fold both the legs. Bring the heels very close to the hip joints. Janga move. As close as possible. Hold the toes with both the hands. Thumbs on the top. Now straighten the body. Stretch up. Neck and back straight. Now try to flap the knees towards the floor. Put some extra effort to push them down. Now keeping the heels there, try to place hands on the knees and try to push them down gently. Don't apply pressure more than your capacity. Now elbows on the thighs. Hold the toes with both the hands. Exhaling, bend forward and see forehead is touching the toes. Inhaling, slowly come back. Again, flap the knees. Slowly relax the legs. We will sit in Padmasana. Fold the right leg. Place the heel right side of the navel. Hold the left leg. Place it on top of the right leg. Both the heels very close to each other. Knees on the floor. Neck and back straight. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Eyes gently closed. Concentration at Ajna Chakra between two eyebrows. We will normalize the breathing with deep and long breathing. Completely exhale. In the final stage, pull the navel deep inside and place the root of the navel on the spine. Apply Mulban. Relax Mulban and start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Release Mulban. This is one round. Repeat 2 more times. First exhale. Completely exhale. Pull the navel deep inside, apply Mulban. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Relax and repeat one more time. Relax. We will chant Om 3 times and then Gayatri Mantra. Mouth into circular shape. Inhale. Mahamantra Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvaswah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Without taking support, try to get up. If you cannot get up without taking support, come on to the knees and then get up so that you will be able to get up. We will do Vrikshasana. Legs together, hands along with the body. Relax yourself. Normalize the breath. Now, fold the right leg. Place the heel at the hip joint, at the Jangha. The toes looking down. Right knee looking towards right. It should be 90 degrees between two legs. Once you get the balance, then take both the hands from the sideways while inhaling. Join them at the top. Elbows should be straight when you join the palms at the top. And then focus on any one point now. Once you practice, if you get the balance, then you can close the eyes. Initially, if you close the eyes, you will lose the balance. Exhaling, slowly bring the hands from the sideways, normalize the leg. Similarly, we will do it from left leg. Hold the left leg, place the heel very close to the Jangha. Toes looking down, left knee looking towards left. Once you get the balance, now take both the hands from sideways while inhaling, take them up. Join the palms at the top, elbows should be straight. Now focus on any one point. In any asana, once you are in the final position, breathing should be normal. And there should not be any stress. If you don't have stress, if breathing is normal, you can stay there. Exhaling, slowly bring the hands from the sideways. Normalize the leg. Let's do Surya Namaskar. Once you come back from the Vrikshasana, normalize your breath. Come to the front part of the asana. Heels together, toes apart, hands along with the body. Neck and back straight. First come to Namaskar Mudra. Join both the palms. Root of the thumb at the chest cavity. Elbows parallel to the floor. Wrist to elbow should be straight. Concentration at Ajna Chakra between two eyebrows. We will invoke the sun god. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Inhaling, take both the hands up at the shoulder level. Shoulders should attach to the ears. Now inhaling, bend back from the cervical region. Neck and head should go back. Hands should go to the extended ears go. Concentration at Vishuddhi Chakra, behind the throat, on the backbone. Thyroid problem will go away in this position. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Those who has backache, don't bend forward in any asana. Knee straight, completely bend forward. Try to see if fingers are touching the floor. If fingers are touching, try to place the palms on the floor, forehead towards the knees. Knees straight. Manipur chakra will get activated. Inhaling, take the right leg back maximum. Right toe in standing position. Right knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down. Chest forward. head back, look up. Left leg should be 90 degrees between two hands. You can take support from the hands to adjust the angle from left leg. Swadhisthana chakra will get activated. Exhaling, take the left leg back, join both the legs, head inside, chin at the throat cavity. Now go back and try to place the heels on the floor. The calf muscles will push the bad blood towards the heart for purification. Purified blood will go to the brain. The brain function will improve. The blockages will go away. Sciatica problem will go away if you practice daily. Concentration at Sahasrara chakra, crown of the head. Now inhaling, bring body parallel to the floor, knees straight, elbows straight, the incline position. First knees on the floor, chest between two hands on the floor, forehead on the floor, palms very close to the chest, elbows looking up, lower back should not touch the floor. Lift the lower back a little. Anahata chakra will get activated behind the heart on the backbone. Pushing body forward, lift yourself up from the front and bend back. From navel, bend back. From navel till the toes, it should be on the floor. Mooladhara chakra will get activated. Only once in Surya Namaskar we will come to this position. Try to stay longer. But bend back. Exhaling, lift yourself up. And go back, try to place the heels on the floor again. Sahasrara chakra will get activated. Thyroid and parathyroid glands will get activated since neck is bent inside. Inhaling, bring the right leg forward between two hands in 90 degrees. Lower back down, chest forward, head back, look up. Left knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Since we are pushing the pancreas back, the insulin production will be normal. Diabetic problem will never happen. Even if you have, it will reduce. Exhaling, bring left leg forward, join both the legs, straighten the knees, completely exhale, place the palms on the floor, forehead towards the knees. Inhaling, shoulders along with the ears, slowly lift yourself up and bend back from the cervical. Exhaling, slowly come to Namaskar Mudra from front. Normalize the hands. Lie down on the back, relax. Relax on your backbone and recollect all 7 chakras which you have activated during the Surya Namaskar. turning from right, come to sitting position. Get ready for Konasana, keeping both the hands very close to the hips. Toes stretching forward. Inhaling, taking support from the palms and the heels. Lift the central part of the body up. You can suspend the head at the back. Knees should be straight. Place the heels and the toes on the floor. Try to lift yourself a little more. Normal breathing. Stay there. But try to lift more. Don't reduce the lift. Body should be lifted up. Put little more effort so that the entire feet should touch the floor. Exhaling, slowly come back and come to Vajrasana by placing both the hands towards the right. Hold both the legs from left. Toes together, heels apart. Sit in between. Normalize your breath. Since we are suspending the blood circulation at the legs, the digestive capacity will increase. Backbone and neck will be strong. We will do Ustrasana. Stand up on the knees. Keep little distance between two knees equal to the shoulder width. Also the toes. Now take both the hands to the backbone, thumbs joining together at the tip of the, not tip of the backbone, but very close to the tip. Gently pressing the spine with both the thumbs, remaining 4 fingers looking forward. Close your eyes throughout this asana. Now inhaling, bend back. First, try to bend maximum. From knees to thigh joint, it should be straight. If you are comfortable after bending completely, take out the hands and try to place entire palm on the feet, not on the heels. Again, straighten the body from knees to thigh joint. It should be uppercase of D. Exhaling, slowly come back and sit in Vajrasana. Relax yourself. Normalize the breath. We will do Shashakasana. Inhaling, take both the hands from the front, straight up, shoulders attached to the ears. Inhaling, stretch up. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Make sure hips are sitting on the heels all the time. Completely bend forward. Place the palms on the floor. Bend a little more. Try to place elbows on the floor. If you are comfortable without lifting the hips from the heels, bend forward and place forehead on the floor. Stay there. All benefits of Shavasana you will get in Shashakasana also. Inhaling, slowly straighten the elbows, lift yourself up. Inhale, stretch up. Exhaling, bring the hands from the sideways and lie down on the abdomen. Sithilasana, right side Vishrant. Right ear on the floor. Right hand, right leg straight. Left hand, left leg folded. Left heel gently touching the right knee. Left hand in front of the eyes in the form of uppercase of L. Both the lung lobes on the floor. Shoulders in normal position. Sithilasana, right side, will normalize high blood pressure because the right nose will be inactive. You will be breathing from the left nostril, which is Chandranadi will get activated. The body will become cool so that the heart rate will be normal. The blood pressure will be normal. Slowly come on to the abdomen. Chin on the floor. Hands under the thighs. The palms should be under the thighs. Elbows very close to the navel. Inhaling, lift both the legs up. Hands should be on the floor. Both the legs should be straight, stretched and lifted up. Chin should be on the floor. Slip disc, lower back pain will go away. The slip disc problem will resolve. Exhaling, slowly come back. Sithilasana, left side, Vishrant. Left ear on the floor. Left hand, left leg straight. Right hand, right leg folded. Right heel gently touching the left knee. Right hand in front of the eyes in the form of mirror image of uppercase of L. Sithilasana, left side will normalize low blood pressure because the left nostril is inactive. You will be breathing from the right nostril, which is Surya Bedi. The Surya Nadi will be active. It will generate the heat inside the body. The heart rate will be little more than the normal. If you normalized your breath, relaxed, slowly take the right hand under the head, turning from right, come onto the backbone. Hands along with the body, legs together. Relax the entire body. We will do Utthana Padasana. Inhaling, slowly lift both the legs straight up to 45 degrees or more than that. You should be able to see the toes without lifting the head. Knees straight, toes stretching forward. Just stay there for 30 seconds. 10 more seconds. Exhaling, slowly bring the legs back. Gently place on the floor. Relax in Savasana. Palm looking up, fingers loose but straight. Little distance between two legs. Little toe towards the floor. Entire body should be in relaxed position. There should not be any stress in any part of the body. Now, in respect with your mental eye, from right leg toe to head, head to left leg toe. Each and every part of the body scan with your mental eye. Turning from right, come back to sitting position. We will go for laughing. Hasi. You can unmute if you are not unmuted. You can switch on your cameras if you are comfortable. Let others also see your happiness. Inhaling. Let's start. Let's do clapping. Just keep the mics unmuted. Let's do clapping. Make sure all fingers are loose, not with the stiffness, right? So with relaxed fingers. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Increase the speed. Decrease the speed slowly. Now massage all the fingers at the root. All 10 fingers, you can massage them, which we normally don't do it. Relax. Now we will go for pranayama. Sit in Padmasana if you can. If not, whichever asana you are comfortable with. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Right hand in Pranayama Mudra. Fold first 2 fingers. Place it at the root of the thumb. Remaining 2 fingers straight. Left hand in Jnana Mudra. Close the right nostril with thumb. We will do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Anulom Vilom Pranayam can be done anyone, anytime. Even if somebody has any kind of ailments, they can do it without applying bandhas or holding the breath. But make sure when you are inhaling or exhaling, there is no sound. Even you should not be hearing the sound when you are inhaling or exhaling. It should be very, very slow. Close the right nostril. Slowly inhale from left nostril. Hold for a second. Close the left nostril. Exhale from right. Now inhale from right nostril. Hold for a second. Exhale from left nostril. Those who are comfortable, they can apply bandhas. They can hold the breath for more than a second. This is one round. Repeat at least 2 more times. Slowly inhale from left nostril. Hold for a second. Exhale from right nostril. Inhale from right nostril. Hold for a second. Exhale from left nostril. Repeat one more time. Each pranayama we should do at least 3 to 5 minutes for better effect. And maximum of 20 to 30 minutes, not more than that. If you are doing only pranayama, make sure you are doing 20 to 30 minutes. If you want, you can do morning and evening. Relax once you are done. Now both the hands, Jnana Mudra, we will do Plavani. Now place both the hands on the knees, just reverse the Jnana Mudra, holding thumb and index finger gently, just reverse the hands on the knees. As if you are swallowing the water. Similarly, in installments, sip the air in installments, completely fill the air. Once you feel exhausted, then hold both the lips, let the air circulate inside, hold for some time. If you cannot hold, bend forward, take the tongue out, in a split second, exhale. Let's start. Do it at least 5 times. Once you are done, relax. Hands in Jnana Mudra. We will do Talabhadra Pranayam. can listen to me first and then proceed. We will inhale while counting 4. Hold the breath inside. Apply Triban while counting 4. Those who has heart ailments or high blood pressure or asthma, they should not apply bandhas or holding the breath. Release bandhas. Completely exhale. Hold the breath outside. Again, apply Triban. So 4 count inhaling, 4 count holding the breath, apply Triban. While counting 4, exhale. While counting 4, hold the breath outside, apply Triban. It should be like a rhythmic, right? So Tal, Bad. So each stage, inhaling, holding the breath, exhaling, holding the breath should be equal. Let's start. While counting 4, inhale. While counting 4, hold the breath and apply Triban. While counting 4, exhale. While counting 4, hold the breath outside, again apply Triban. Release, relax. This is 1 round. Repeat 2 more rounds. Those who cannot hold while counting 4, they can reduce it, but it should be equal length. Once you are done, relax. We'll go for meditation. We will chant Om in 1:1 ratio, medium pace, 20 times. Make sure when you are chanting Om, the concentration should be Om between the Om. When you are giving a gap between 2 Om chantings, you need to concentrate in that. It should be equal. Let us start in medium pace. Om, 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 Now let's chant internally. Let us focus little more deep. When you are inhaling, chant Om. While exhaling, count 1. Like that, count up to 10. Again, start from 1. Let's do at least twice. While inhaling, Om. While exhaling, 1. Let's proceed. should not come when you are inhaling or exhaling. It should be with your mental eye. Start focusing on the thoughts. Let the thoughts come and go. Don't stop them. Don't invite them. Don't involve in them. Just observe as a spectator. Relax. We will chant Om and then go for prayer. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityo Mrukshiyamamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Be there in this state for some time. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Stretch the toes forward and back. Three, 4 times. Right and left. Clockwise 3, 4 times. Anti-clockwise 3, 4